Hello everyone. Welcome to Kannamma Cooks, and we are making a fantastic Kaalan Paal curry today. This is a simple everyday mushroom masala that can be served with rice, dosa or chapati. This can be put together in under 30 minutes and it works perfectly well for the busy weeknight dinners. Here is how to do it. Heat Indian style sesame oil in a pan. Vegetable oil or coconut oil can also be used for making this recipe. Add some cloves and some cinnamon. These spices will add a nice warmth and aroma to the curry. Add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, some chopped curry leaves, green chilies, finely chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger. Adjust the green chilies according to your spice levels. Saute everything in oil for a minute. Add the sliced onions at this stage and saute for a few minutes for the onions to become soft. When the onions are cooked and soft, add the sliced tomatoes and the salt. Use ripe tomatoes for this curry. Mix everything well. The salt will help the tomatoes cook faster. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. We need the tomatoes cooked completely and it should be mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, gently mash the mixture with a potato masher. Mash everything to a coarse paste. This is an important step, so do not skip it. This step will give us a creamy gravy. After mashing, add in the spice powders. Add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and some coriander powder. If you want a mild curry, go easy on the red chili powder. Saute everything for a few seconds. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan at this stage. I have used button mushrooms for making this recipe today. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for about 5 minutes on a low flame. No need to add any water as the moisture from the mushrooms should suffice. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add the coconut milk. Canned coconut milk works just fine. If using homemade coconut milk, use thick milk. Mix everything well to combine. Simmer on a low flame for about couple of minutes. Do not cook for long after adding the coconut milk. Now add the black pepper powder and some fresh curry leaves. Mix everything well. Our Kaalan Paal curry is now done. Finish with a generous sprinkling of some coriander leaves. This mushroom paal curry can be served with rice, dosa and chapati, and it is just delicious. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, do not forget to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off, and happy cooking. Bye bye.